In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do your color correction or color grade with CapCut. And this is very easy and simple. But before I continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You drop a comment on the next video I should make for you, and also like this video if it's helpful. Now let's get straight to it. First, what you have to do is to download CapCut. And if you don't have CapCut, I will put the link under the description. You can just go and download your CapCut. Then you open it, you add your video. I'm sure by now if you are at this point, you know how to add a video, or add a video or import a video in CapCut. So this is the video I want to design. This is the video I want to color grade. Now let's get straight to it. The first thing you will do when you import your video, this is how it will look like. So you have to go to adjustment. Adjustment, and we have basic, we have HLC, we have curves, we have wheels, we have max to decide. But as a beginner, basics, that is where you do your color correction. So we are about to do the color correction first. Now let's get to it. With the temperature, depending on how you want your video to be. If you want the video to be warm, you can go to, you see. And if you want the video to be cold, so it depending on how your video is. With this video, it has to be cold because you can see the blue light making the video a little bit cold. So that's why I'm choosing cold. And you don't have to go too far. -14, -15 is okay. And with the tint, you can go to +14, or you can even go to 20. It depending on your video, but make sure you adjust it to see how good it fits your video. Then you go to the saturation, and with the saturation, it also depends on the video. Everything I'm doing here depends on the video, but don't do it too much. See, as you can see, is too much on the screen, so you have to at least reduce it. So you adjust it, you reduce it to see how fit it will be for your video. With this one, I will choose this. Then you come to the contrast. Contrast is also important. After saturation, the next thing you are supposed to do is the contrast. So let's do that one too. You see now the video has started changing. Now you can see the blacks in the video, and it is making it a little bit nice. So that one too, I think 18 for this video is okay. Then we go to shadow. And with the shadow, we are going for negative. If you go to positive, it means maybe your video is a little bit dark and you want it to be bright. That's how you choose positive. But if you are editing a video like mine, you have to go negative, but don't go too far because you will spoil your video. Just a simple small thing. -11 is okay. And with the white, maybe you shot a video in the sun and the person was wearing white. Such videos, the sun will reflect the shirt, or maybe the white shirt in the video, and it will make it a little bit weird. So if you're having such a video, all you have to do is go to the white, then you decrease it, you see. But for me, I think the white is okay for my video. And also the black, you can also, if you want more black, but me, I don't use it. I don't mostly use it because most of my videos are indoors, so I don't need the black. Then the most important thing, if you need the best quality for your video, before you even export, the best thing you have to do is the sharpen. Go to 30. That one is always 30. I always use 30, and it's very good for me. Some people recommend a 20, some says a 15, but for me 30 is always good for me, and I've been using it. I think this is all for the basic, and we can go to the HCL. With the HCL, depending on you, if you are a beginner, I think you should leave the HCL because it will affect your video that much if you don't know what you are doing. But with the curves, it is very easy. If you know, with the curves, all you have to do is points. With the 2 points, for the red, you go down, depending everything I'm doing, depending on your video, you have to consider the video you are doing, the video you are editing before you do it. You just look at this. You see the changes. So always make sure you know what you are doing, but it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, with the red, with the green, same thing. But see, the green, make sure if you are shooting, make sure the green is not that much. Or maybe if your background light is green, I think that will be okay. But even with that, it will affect your video. So still, you don't have to make the green that much, but reduce it at the bottom, with the bottom one. So just drag it down. And with the blue, I think adding small is okay. Yeah, because I don't want to mess up my video. Now let's not use the blue because I already have the blue in background and everything, and it's making the lighting, it will make my video look bad, look weird. So I'm not going to use it. I think this is okay with the color wheel. If it's your first time, please don't touch this. Don't touch this. If you want to go further with this, you can try using filters, but please don't go to the color wheel if you're a beginner. But at least try to rehearse on what I've done so far. Rehearse on it for a while. If you master yourself in it, you will know how to blend colors, and that is when you will come to the color wheel. Shadow and everything is here, but you will mess up your videos. So if this video was helpful, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first person to get my video. And also like this video, share, drop a comment if this was useful, and also let me know the video you want me to do or the tutorial video you need right now, and I'll respond to it and do it immediately for you. Thank you for watching. My name is Jay and this is Mboot Studios.